Okay. Seriously, you want to do that? Oh, I'm going to do it. That's it.
Audience member in seat number 326 is ready to try your luck in the Robot Rampage.
I love that one. That makes me laugh every time. Every time. Stopping time. This one ain't hard, even if you RB1. Although it is brilliant for leveling up your weapon, and it can easily be obtained, so helps with that. Like so. Now it's got the V2. That's how easy this is. Done. Not too hard, just hard enough. Chop chop. Come, display gun. Do I have that? I do have that.
He's gonna have
nice.
to do this with one weapon, folks.
That was the one I bought. Cool. I think there is one for the Annihilator as well, but I don't have that, obviously. There's definitely one for the Infector. I know that. Again, the same principle. Use them to kill it, because you don't have enough ammo. Assuming you bought it when I just did, which is now. But this weapon is good, especially when leveled up. I could, but I'm not. Don't waste a shot. Whoa, that was almost... How the fuck did I do that? I just jumped on the lava. What the hell? Okay, that was weird.
The little guy's really taking a beating.
That was genuinely really weird. Stuff like this, I'd recommend using it.
Lightning storm heading your way.
Use the whip, though, mostly. Use the whip. Whip them good. Do it.
Oh, yeah, that's entertainment, folks.
Good boy. Alright. You got 17 ammo yet? That's 17 ammo left. Pretty sure it's fairly simple from here. Considering it's just these three, it's really simple. Done. That's how easy that one was. Whee! Yep, sleep inducer. Ah, yes. Oh, rift inducer. Oh, okay. Hydrogen sheet. Okay. Can't remember how this one. Alright, it's one of these again.
Hold circle to target multiple enemies with the spitting hydra.
This weapon is horrible.
Release circle to fire.
This weapon is genuinely horrible. I don't like this. One of the only weapons I genuinely hate. I really do hate this weapon. It is better leveled up, but I don't like it for now. At this point in the game, I hate it. Again, use the whip guy, whipping around the whip. The cool whip. If you're lucky, you can do more damage. Oh, it's another one of these where they do shit. Fuck, I hate these. Attacking myself. Fine, I can do it myself, I suppose. Last one. 8 ammo left. Easy. Easy-ish. Would be easy, however it's not.
This guy's crazy.
Got him.
He could be championship material, folks.
Yes, nice. Not worth it for 3 bullets, if I'm being honest. But good enough. And now we've only got that. No, I'm going to say no. I'm not doing it yet. Not yet. No, I just want to make sure. Skill points. Where is it? Turn up the heat. Oh, is that... Oh, maybe I... Oh, no, wait. Turn up the heat. What's turn up the heat, then? Give me a second. Oh, that's Starship Phoenix. I'm being an idiot. I'm being a massive idiot. Yeah, I've got them all empty, apart from that one. Okay, cool. Beat Scorpion without taking, with only your wrench. Yeah, okay, cool. Coolio, nice. Holostar Studios, or you can go back to the Starship Phoenix and do your vidcomic. I want to do the vidcomic, but I want to go to Holostar. I'll go to Holostar Studio. There are 3 titanium bolts, only one of them can be obtained. There's only 1 skill point. And that is the same as the second game, where you have to, you're just feeling up, well, it was actually called, get Clank a new pair of shoes or something like that, but basically get a jackpot on the slot machine.
Jeeves, activate the cloaking device.
With pleasure, sir. Now you see us, now you...
Crud.
Cut! That's it! You've disgraced my set for the last time, kid. Take up basket weaving. You're fired! Give me the monkey.
I'll see you at the trailer, Clank.
Agent Clank, meet your new sidekick. All right, forget the chase scene and go right to the grand finale. You did read the script I sent you. First, you narrowly survive a series of death-defying stunts, yada yada. You defeat the Terror of Talos, yada yada yada. Finally, you rescue the Baroness, played by the lovely Miss Courtney Gears.
Okay.
And action! All right, this is the part where you take out the henchman, then chase Maximilian out of the bar.
I do like this.
Make it look real, all right? Action!
I do like this though. This is cool. I mean, you can get a lot of bolts out of this. Destroy a lot of stuff. So it's worth it.
Oh, you got the stuff, kid. Now get to Maximilian's office before he can make his escape.
Yeah, try and destroy everything in this room, because you can get about 1,000 bolts, which is a lot. Granted, that's Clank. Think about it. I mean, you don't get much as Clank, do you? Or do you get much opportunities? Yeah, it's worth it. Sort of. See you in the next part. Good. Destroy these and destroy this, and that's it. I'm going to lock this. Here we go.
Clank is hot on his tail. Maximilian tries to shake him off in rush hour traffic. All right, I love a good chase scene.
Yeah. Now these are slot machines. Use one at a time. One each side. Why do I say that? The reason's very simple. That's a nice small square.
All right, you're doing great, kid. Now, avoid the lasers and meet up with the monkey in the casino parking
Well, no, I thought this was all. No, it doesn't matter. Just stay away from it. Be careful. Don't think it's easy to get that off. It's very hard. Oh, we've got that. Oh, okay. And these ones. Well, you don't get quite a lot of bolts in them, though. I think you get 3,000 for the against the one. I think. Don't quite have it. Because I'm not certain. Oh. Yeah, I'm going to stand back. They do a lot of damage. There's also a trophy here, which isn't too hard to get. It's fairly simple. Don't use 2 bolts in that, though. You want that. It's worth it because you get enough bolts to keep going, and also that did not touch me.
One more time, people, like we rehearsed it, and action!
We haven't rehearsed it yet, fucking moron. Yeah, I do hate it.
Now get to Maximilian's office before he can make his escape.
It is quite annoying.
Okay, Clank is hot on his tail. Maximilian tries to shake him off.
Ah, bullshit!
Yes, all right, people, let's take it from the top. Maximilian strikes back. Take 3, and action!
Yay! Look, this 3 points out exactly how many times I failed if I did bust it out, so oh well.
Okay, Clank is hot on his tail. Maximilian tries to shake him off in rush hour traffic. All right, I love a good chase scene.
Yes, I know, I've had this 3 times already.
All right, you're doing great, kid. Now, avoid the lasers and meet up with the monkey in the casino parking lot.
Bullshit, did that hit me? Good. Oh, so close. Running away. Oh. Oh, get it. Ah!
You
I can't do it. I did it first fucking time. It actually gives you 25,000. Just to point that out. I'm not kidding. I did it first time. That's just insane. Yeah, it gives you 25,000, which is quite generous, actually. Whoa, wow, I'm like lucky. I'm like so lucky right now. I'm not sure if the team's giving 25,000. I think at least really reduced. I'm pretty sure challenge mode, unlike the rest of the game where everything's smashed down, I think that's stayed the same. It's easy, it's a really quick about this. It really is. Number 1. Staying away. No, screw that, can't be asked. More over here. Lol. Okay, take this. The lasers are gone. Upgrade, monkey upgrade. And keep up gone. And now the next whoa! As long as you flip that ledge! The ledge! Oh, you fucking monkey. Get that banana. Get that banana. Oh, win. Hello, hello, hello.
The bridge is out. Big fast. How would Agent Clank get across?
Get the banner. Where is he? Oh, shit, yeah. I didn't save him, that's right. Is he on there? I assume so. Yes, I'm sorry, Sponge. Let's go. Banana's over there, shouldn't have disintegrated randomly. Nope, they disintegrated randomly. Go get your banana. Use your initiative. I like that. Wait here. Yeah, don't make that mistake. I made that the first time playing. I was just like, go, come on. Oh, right. Yeah. Of course. More and it's done. And he's dead. Don't die.
Fantastic. Keep it up, Clank.
Just try not to die. What does that do? Here we go.
I love it. Okay, this is it, people. The grand finale. Giant Clank versus the Terror of Talos. Don't screw this up, kid. Action!
Keep firing your missiles and stuff. It's really easy to kill, by the way. He barely does any damage to you when you do it off him, so it's really simple.
Alright, cue the giant ninja!
Ninjas, yes, giant ninjas coming. Destroy the helicopters when available. Yeah, I like this. It's quite nice. But there's a lot of stuff to destroy, which is cool. You gotta find the giant ninjas, of course. Sometimes they find you, but you have to find them. Oh, we still have that power, which is quite cool. Die. Doing this for recorded years, giant ninjas occasionally get stuck, much like normal ninjas. Like regular ninjas, they get stuck too. Even effect. None of this is real. It's all an effect. I think you have to fight 2 sets of giant ninjas. And then you can go back to fighting them. See, more giant ninjas. Boom. Where are the giant ninjas? There they are. Die. See, not already difficult. Just gotta find them. That's the only hard part about this. Actually, that is sadly true. Well, I'm bored because these ninjas are really, really boring. They ruined the fight, really.
Hit him with a kung fu, Clank!
Where is it? How can I hit you? Yeah, now let's kill more ninjas. Lovely. Where is it?
That's it, Clank! Kick some...
Lol. 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 That was some lag. That was some ferocious lag. Did something.